Today we are gonna play a game called Who's Most Likely with our air dancer friend.
Yay!
Air dancers are Mr. Money,
Whoop whoop!
Yellow,
Yay!
Knockoff Trump.
Yeah!
I forgot that guy's name.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, curious bystanders and confused squirrels, get ready for the moment you didn't know you've been waiting for. Air dancer is most likely dun 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 reliable, helpful, always fix things up. Yay! But it's looking that way. Yay! Correct, Kuya. Which air dancer is most likely wacky, carefree, and sweet? Color of the sun. Sissy, what's wrong? Where? You're so kapat.
Take me a turn.
Oh, Kuya, make him a turn.
Okay, fine.
Whose air dancer is most likely to buy a 3 Tesla car? Money, air dancer! Because he is a
Millionaire.
third, the air dancer on all of them! Wee wee!
Let's turn all the air dancers on.
Dana! Hopefully! Turn on everything! Yeah. Awesome! Can you make the yellow Kuya go up? Can you make the yellow go up?
Hello, Wackies! Today we are gonna play a game called Who's Most Likely with our air dancer friend.
Yay!
Air dancers are Mr. Money,
Whoop whoop!
Yellow,
Yay!
Knockoff Trump.
Yeah!
I forgot that guy's name.
Barbershop!
I know his name.
Lucky!
Andy
Chupman!
and Larry Lime, our best contestant ever.
Yes!
Mom, I know that guy, that little two man's name.
What is it?
His name is called Barber,
What?
Mr. Barber Shop.
Mr. Barbershop. So how many air dancers we have right there?
It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 air dancers, guys. So I think we're missing one. Where's the cowboy?
I don't remember not seeing one in the front.
Guys, we look and we couldn't find Mr. Cowboy air dancer because what I want to do is put all the air dancer that we already unboxed this year so far.
Hey,
But
Mom.
so since we couldn't find Mr. Cowboy, we're gonna put Larry Lime right there. This is how it goes, guys. Kuya and Sisi, we're gonna guess who's likely air dancer gonna do the stuff that I'm gonna say. And by guessing who's that air dancer is turning on which air dancer is it. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. So here we go. Hello, Wakkies. Are you ready for another fun-filled, giggle-powered, inflatable kind of day?
Yes.
Yes. Yes!
Well, ladies and gentlemen, curious bystanders and confused squirrels, get ready for the moment you didn't know you've been waiting for. Buckle up your banana hats and hold on to your flying flip-flops, because today we're playing a brand new game called Air Dancer, that most likely to dun, 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 dun. Here's how it works. I'm going to give you a silly description, like most likely to boogie at a breakfast buffet, something like that, and you have to guess which air dancer I'm talking about. Understood?
Yes.
Yes.
When you think you know, go ahead and turn that air dancer on, and we'll see if you're right. Get ready to shout, spin, and guess and dance, because this game is 100% powered by Wackiness and Wind Tubes.
Why do I feel like this was made by ChatGPT?
Get ready now. Ready?
Yes!
Alright, so okay, this is my first most likely question. Dun 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 dun. Which air dancer is... There's no question yet! Did you turn on the, the yellow thing? Both.
I can't see, but yeah, they're flashing white.
Yeah? How about the other one?
Yeah, I see it flashing like
Alright, which air dancer is most likely? Dun 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 dun. Reliable, helpful, always fix things up. Yay! But it's looking the other way. Yay! Correct, Kuya. Kuya, can you turn it on? Alright. So turn it up again. Turn it up. Because another one. Not yet. There's not yet. Ready, Sissy? Which air dancer is most likely flashy, love attention, and a lot of money? Wow! 1-1 correct, Sissy. You're so smart. Oh my goodness. Next. Are you ready, Wacky Brothers?
Yes.
Which air dancer is most likely stylish, social, and like a new haircut?
It's ready.
Go, Sissy, if you know it. Go.
It's right this.
Yay! Correct, Sissy. Kuya, you didn't know. Oh my goodness. Ready. Another one. Which air dancer is most likely patriotic, great, and proud? Don't kill the air dancer, Kuya. Oh my goodness. Dun, 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 dun. Who is that? Patrick Star. Correct, correct, correct. Ready?
Imagine next.
Which air dancer is most likely chill, positive vibes, and always winning? Guess? Guess? Always winning. When you're always winning, what they call you? You don't know? Lucky! They're all lucky. They're right there. Wrong, Sissy.
Larry one.
No, that's Lucky Air Dancer next to the barber shop.
Oh. I don't know.
Turn it on.
Wait, it's a...
No, that's the wrong one. Hold on. It's this one.
That's the one. Lucky. Always winning. Yeah, yeah, baby.
When should I know that?
Ready?
Can you give me my last try?
There's 2 more questions.
Oh,
Which air dancer is most likely wacky, carefree, and sweet?
I won.
What happened there? You already know what is. You already know which one is wacky. Huh? That's awesome, guys. You already know which one is wacky. All right, ready?
Your turn now.
Ready? So that means there's only one left, okay?
It's my turn now.
Which air dancer is most likely
Yellow.
always wearing color bright?
What? What? What?
Always wearing color bright. Correct. Look at him. What happened to him?
I don't know.
Can you stand it up, see? Push it so that the people can see it. Yeah.
The correct answer.
All right. There's 2 more rounds. Ready? 2 more rounds. You go there, Cece, while you are there. Which air dancer is most likely gonna pay your lunch? The money, money, money. Air dancer. Because why? He's a billionaire.
Huh?
Because he's a billionaire. Ready? Whose air dancer is most likely not a son, but surely he will get your attention.
What? What?
Not a son, but surely he will get your attention. What is the color of the sun? Sissy, what's wrong?
I don't like it.
Where? You're so kapat.
Take me a turn.
Oh, kuya, make him a turn.
Okay, fine. I'll skip
Hey,
this round.
hey, Sissy, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Ready?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Where's kuya?
Right there.
Okay, ready. Which air dancer is most likely gonna fix your stuff? You got first. Kuya, let you go first. Ay, ay, ay. All right, then. Kuya, let you win and you're bullying him. Which air dancer is most likely? Ready? Ready?
Yes, yes.
Awaki Mim. Did I say that a while ago?
No.
Both of you win.
We didn't get this one yet.
Next. Whose air dancer is most likely to buy a 3 Tesla car?
This one.
Money, air dancer! Because he is a
Millionaire.
millionaire. Alright, next, turn it up. Who's most likely to have a new haircut every week? Why? The barber shop. What?
That one is broken.
Oh, no, kuya, look. Yeah. Correct. Good job. Good job, see?
That one is broken.
Yep. Ready. Who's most likely air dancer eat an egg yolk?
Give us a hand.
It's color egg yolk. Who is that? Who's most likely?
Egg yolk is
What is that? Green egg and ham? I already gave you the. Yes, yellow air dancer. Who's most likely air dancer? Say, don't worry, I can fix anything. Correct. The handyman air dancer.
You're so skibbity.
Next. Who's most likely to make a dance move and have like wiggle like a patriot? Correct. To keep America great. I wonder what's happening to Kuya right there. It's a good exercise, huh? Who's most likely to be friends with everyone, Azio?
Friendly is
Nazareth.
Correct! Yay! Larry Live Air Dancer! Woo! So, that sums it all. Stick around, folks, because when the air dancer dancing, you know something awesome is happening. So our game is done. The game most likely is over. We do not know who's win. This is just fun. There's no winners. We all have fun. So what Kuya and Sisi do now is turn the air dancer on. All of them. Wee wee.
Let's turn all the air dancers on.
Tanan. Hopefully, it will turn on everything. Yay! Woo 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 woo! Awesome! Can you make the yellow Kuya go up? Can you make the yellow go up? What are you doing?
don't forget to like and subscribe. And we will.
If you don't subscribe or else we're going to be inside your walls tonight.
Again! Na 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 na.
That's all for today, Wacky. See you next time. Bye. And don't forget to have a Guess Who's Most Likely Day. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Or just like I said, we will be inside your walls.
Yeah. Wow, quietness. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Awesome. Alright, so go Kuya. We gotta put them all inside the house. Thank you, Wacky. See you next time. Hope all of you have fun like us.